Hey everyone, this is Misfer from Kicksick. So, today I'm going to share with you effective 5 tips that I follow to impress people, especially at the first meeting. So let's go for it. Tip 1. Be confident yourself. The first thing is that you shouldn't be nervous when you are meeting someone for the first time. There are also people like you, and probably they are also uneasy at having to meet you. When you think that way, you feel easier about your meeting with them. So, talking confidently is the #1 key to impress anyone. Tip 2. Target first 30 seconds. Your first words, within 30 seconds, should be impressive and surprising. Like, by the newspaper's headline, people choose to read the full article. Like that, you need to say something that's smart and relevant. So, your first speech is very important for first impression. Tip 3. Be a better listener than a talker. People don't like those who talk much, but at the same time, they want someone to listen to them. Remember this basic human trait and play on it. When you are meeting someone, especially for the first time, listen more than you talk. Tip number 4. Be caring. Hear the way that shows you care other people. Listen gently. Follow all rules of modesty, especially if you are with a lady. Even when you talk, be compassionate and show that you care for people. Tip number 5. Smile gently. Keep a gentle smile while talking or listening. But, your smile should not be forced. It should be elastic and natural smile that doesn't put the other person off. Don't smile too much also, and know when to smile, and when not to. The rest will all work out quite fine. So, implement these 5 tips and see how you can charm people the first time you meet them. Of course, you need practice and intention to impress that person. Hope this video helped you. If so, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.